down.
Oh, have I got the wrong one again?
Yeah, no, he's coming down towards us. He's on his own. Whoa!